An aqueous solution contains 0.296 grams of a polymeric unknown compound. If there's 125 mils of solution, temperature is 25, osmotic pressure 2.58 millimeters of mercury. What is the molecular weight of the unknown? Now, hopefully, you have no idea how to solve this, because then you'll understand everything I'm going to say here. Okay. Jessica, you have no idea how to solve this, correct? Just say yes. Yes. Okay, she has no idea how to solve this. So, what are they asking? Molecular weight. Follow logic. We're going to be using it. Follow logic. Molecular weight. First thing, look at all these bloody equations, molecular weight in one of them. Remember, because that's the game. Is molecular weight in there? Do you see a variable that stands for molecular weight? No. It's not there. So, follow logic. Start with what they want. Molecular weight. Molecular weight is what? Yeah, moles are in there. Grams over mole. That's what molecular weight is. Grams over mole. Mariella, questions kind of changed now. We're halfway there. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, because she said use the grams of the stuff. The grams, so the molecular weight of the unknown is, the equal sign, grams of unknown over moles of unknown. She recognized the grams of unknown is 0.296. We're halfway there. Where's after moles? Bless you. Find it and we'll have it. Okay. Matteo, do we have an equation that has just moles? Then we can solve for it. Just moles. No, right? So what was Eddie's advice? Plug in what you have. I think that's genius. Nick, what do we have? We plug into what? Yeah? Yeah, so where are we going to start? The osmotic pressure equation, right? Plug in what you have. Figure out what you got and plug into that equation, because it's going to be that way every time. There's going to be one thing in that equation you don't know, and that's what you're going to solve for. He said the osmotic pressure equation. So are we going to use the one, Destiny, with the I or without the I? Because we have two choices now. Without. She is right. Why? Ah, exactly. That's what I saw too. Molecular. Right? I was going to go off on a big spiel what a polymer was, but I don't need to because it says molecular up there. So don't use the I. M-R-T. Okay, Ray, stick to Eddie's advice. Plug in what you know. Let's start. Let's fix it. Let's fix it. Like he said, let's add 273 to it. 298 Kelvin. Okay. Lewis, what else do we know here? Oh, yeah. You look it up, right, on the top of the quiz or whatever. Yeah, the 0.0821. Liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. Aldo. We're going to keep doing this, plugging in stuff we know until there's one thing left. Right now we know the T, we can plug in something for the R. But there's two things left. So that means there's one thing we got to plug in yet. Pi is the osmotic pressure. And they say it's 2.58. Yeah, we have to convert it to what unit? ATM, because that's what the R is in. And you look at the top of the quiz, or you just remember, it was 760. .58 about 0.00339. Or you could just say 3.39 times 10 to the negative 3, right? Okay, so now we know all that stuff. So we can plug it in. We have, and we quit because now there's always one thing left. Right? We're going to be solving for big M. And I'm just leaving the units out because we fixed all that. So Pablo, how mathematically are you going to solve for big M here?
Divide 0.021 and 8.
Yeah, you hear what you said? Divide this 0.0339, divide it by the 0.0821, divide it by the 298, and you'll have it. Okay, about 1.39 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay. Mallory, we plugged in what we knew, and we got this big M. What we're after are these moles. We're still after the moles. Then we can plug it in and get molar mass. Do you see what to do? What was big M? Yeah? Yeah, she's looking for her sheet, right? That's okay, but you see what she's doing? She's looking for her sheet. Exactly what you should do. Yeah, moles of solute, and we could write, what, unknown molecular, moles of unknown, yeah, moles of unknown, that's a good one. All over liters of solution. Okay, so we know what big M is. If we know what liters of solution is, man, we can find moles of unknown. What's the liters of solution? Vanessa Vasquez, did they give it to us? There it is. But it's in the wrong unit? Convert it. Divide it by 1,000, right? If you're not sure to move, yeah, 125. If you're not sure if you can't do it in your head, you have to actually work it out. Really just moving the decimal place over 3 places. So my big M is going to be 1.39 times 10 to the negative 4 has to equal my moles all over 0.125. So I have to bring it up to the top, so multiply it times 0.125. Multiply 1.39 times 10 to the negative 4 times 1.125. 1.73 times 10 to the negative 5. All right. Now I can finally get my molecular weight. .296 grams. Right? Because now once we get our moles, we're just going to plug it in up here. Plug it in right here. 0.296 grams over 1.73 times 10 to the negative 5. Now I got a huge, huge answer. 17,066.